Today, we're whipping up a delectable chicken Manchurian, crispy fried chicken pieces tossed in a spicy and tangy sauce that's bursting with flavor. This dish is perfect for a quick meal or as an appetizer at your next gathering. Let's dive right in. First step is to marinate the chicken. Take a mixing bowl and add bite-sized chicken pieces. Sprinkle in half teaspoon of salt and squeeze the juice of half a lemon over the chicken. Give it a mix and let it sit for 10 minutes to absorb the flavors. Next, sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Add 2 tablespoons of corn flour and crack in 1 egg. Mix everything well, ensuring the chicken is evenly coated with the marinade. Let it rest for at least 30 minutes. If you have time, you can marinate it for longer in the refrigerator to enhance the flavor. Second step is to fry the marinated chicken. Heat a deep pan and pour in enough oil for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, carefully add the marinated chicken to the pan. Make sure not to overcrowd the pan, as this will affect the crispiness. Fry the chicken for 10 minutes on each side until it turns golden brown. Flip the pieces midway to ensure even cooking. Once done, dish out the chicken and set it aside. Third step is preparation of the sauce. In a small bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of Schezwan sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Mix everything well and set the sauce aside. Fourth step is making the corn slurry. In another small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of corn flour and pour in 30 ml of water. Stir to create a smooth slurry and set it aside for later use. Fifth step is about bringing it all together. Heat a pan on medium flame and pour in 2 tablespoons of oil. Add a handful of finely chopped garlic and saute for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Then add cubes of onions and capsicum and saute for another minute. Now, add the prepared sauce mix to the pan and give it a good stir. Pour in the corn slurry and an additional 30 ml of water. Add half teaspoon of sugar. Mix well and bring the sauce to a boil. Finally, add the fried chicken to the pan and toss everything together, ensuring the chicken is well coated with the sauce. Let the flavors infuse for 2 minutes. And there you have it, crispy, spicy chicken Manchurian, ready to be devoured. Whether you serve it with fried rice or enjoy it as a standalone dish, this flavorful recipe is sure to be a hit. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to check out more on our channel. Leave a comment below with your tips or variations for making chicken dishes. Thanks for joining me today on The Golden Bites. Happy cooking!